Welcome to another investigation. We're on Merseyside and it's a first for us. We're in somebody's private residence.
It's very aware of you. It's holding your hand. It's literally holding your hand.
Are you a child? If you're a child, can you move a leg and move an arm? We can see you.
Just for argument's sake, obviously touching it. Let's kill the battery. Straight to the battery. That's a brand new battery.
Then one.
Can you give me 2 flashes for yes if you were the original owner of this house? Was this house built for you? You can go now.
2. That was 2.
That was fantastic. Thank you.
Excellent, thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, I will say, sir, what an excellent home that you've got.
Delightful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely. And I don't know how it would make you feel knowing that you were the only house here, basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Everything else was built around you. Which I think is pretty damn cool. You're doing ever so good
That's
there.
amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you all so much.